Stuck with the Agreement Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. As we look at the manual steps for Agreement Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Agreement Library, frequently associated with the user interface modules of software installers. It manages the rendering of the End User License Agreement, EULA, dialog, and localized accept button logic. If this file is missing, the setup wizard will crash or display a blank window, preventing the software from being installed or updated on the system. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Agreement Library DLL is unique to the localized EULA/agreement text environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Agreement Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Most individual downloads of Agreement Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Agreement Library. If Agreement Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.